Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to a faulty motherboard, which is crucial for the device's operation. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, rendering your Thermomix unusable. To tackle this problem effectively, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. To begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and placed on a flat surface. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the casing from the sides, taking care not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the motherboard situated towards the base of the device. You'll notice several screws securing it in place. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, remembering to keep them safe for reassembly. As you do this, be mindful of any cables connected to the motherboard, gently disconnect them to avoid any tearing or damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the motherboard is free, take your replacement motherboard and align it carefully into the same position. Reconnect all the cables securely, ensuring they are properly seated to avoid any future issues. Now, replace the screws to secure the motherboard, applying gentle pressure without over-tightening them, as this could strip the threads. After everything is in place, carefully reattach the casing, ensuring all clips are secure. Once closed, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to verify that the screen lights up correctly. If everything is functioning, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motherboard. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you keep your Thermomix in a dry environment and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for any signs of wear and tear, and handle it with care during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.